there's a look at Kroger Field, which will be a hopping place tomorrow night. We got some high clouds coming through right now. He also notices that you see the flags wafting there and what breeze there is. Thing is, once you're inside the bowl, you're kind of out of the wind. So yeah, it's going to be cold tomorrow night, but a tolerable cold. We'll all manage to enjoy. Let's talk about all this. So again, there's your live look from the Bluegrass Community and Technical College, right there at the UK campus. All right. Did we mention that it was really cold this morning? Coldest we could find, a couple places. Well, you go a few thousand feet up there on Black Mountain, it was 18. But you go into the Licking River Valley north of Cynthiana, it was also 18 on the Kentucky Mesonet. 19 in Vanceburg, 20 in Winchester, Harrodsburg, 21 this morning. That was cold. You see 30 though in Barberville, one of the warmer spots around. McKee was 24 to get the day started. So tomorrow, a very crisp fall day, very late fall day. Sunshine will help, but yeah, there will certainly be a coolness to the air, but you're standing in the sun, it'll actually be pretty tolerable. For Sunday, a nearly perfect honeydew fall day. Get the last of the winter preps done, perhaps the ceremonial final mowing of the season, raking the leaves up, getting the deck ready to go for winter, which is coming, which by the way may be coming next week, at least for this kickoff of it. I don't think it's settling in for good, but boy, there is some cold weather coming. 35 right now at the Bluegrass Airport. Not only a northeast wind at 5, those flags would say that wind is a little bit stronger than 5, but that's what the anemometer at the Bluegrass Airport has, so that's what we report. 38 was the high today. That made that 38 was the 5th coolest November 8th high temperature that we have recorded. So again, this is not record cold, but it's thinking about it. As we looked at temperatures at them, I mean, it's near freezing. That is ridiculously cold. Winchester 33, Owensville 33, Boonville at least is 38, Barberville's 38, Liberty comes in at 35. So what's going on? We're at this core of very cold Arctic air. This one had its origins up by Hudson Bay, so it's a decently cold air mass. This is just though setting the stage, even though we're still about 20 degrees below normal. That core of coldest air rotates off to the east tomorrow. We get rid of it. So we still have at least a normal brand of cold around tomorrow. 10 degrees below normal as opposed to 20. So it's a little more tolerable. Thing is, the next Arctic blast is already taking shape up here on Sunday. This one is stronger. This one had its origins all the way up by the North Pole. So when it arrives, you are going to feel some really, really cold air in here early next week. Max Rack Live Doppler, nothing going on. I know we have some high, thin clouds passing over. As we continue through the night on the future track, that high slides to the east. We have some high clouds again, we'll call it a fair sky through the night. Your day tomorrow, southerly winds, but only a slow moderation in temperatures. As we work our way towards Sunday, well, we do get a nice southerly wind flow. We will warm things up in advance of a cold front that really is going to dramatically drop the temperatures next week. So the flow flattens for us as we go through the weekend. So that means our temperatures return to normal. But what happens then, that next lobe of Arctic air begins to rotate south, and this is big time stuff. It's Arctic air November style. If this were January with this kind of flow, we'd be talking 0. But as it is, it's November, so we're not. But still, it is going to be really, really cold. Oh, did we mention the possibility something else could be coming along for the ride? So we take you to Veterans Day. There's Monday, so we've got some rain around as we're finishing Veterans Day by Monday night into early Tuesday. The possibility, we have some light snow around the area. Headed to the game tomorrow, you are looking at a kickoff temperature right around 40. We'll be in the upper 30s as the game goes on. And just remember, victory is a wonderful heater. So for tonight, clear sky, light winds, top 10 cold. Low 20s tomorrow, mostly sunny, some high clouds. We're up around 50, still a brisk day for early November. Close to 60 on Sunday, that's normal. Monday looks a day like the rain comes back on Veterans Day, ends as snow on Tuesday. There is not a lot of warmth next week. It's the Don Rickles of 8-day forecasts.
No respect?
No warmth.
No warmth.
Yeah.
Rodney Dangerfield was no respect.
I don't remember the Don Rickles.
I'm sorry, it was an obscure reference, which I'm known for.
Never have those. Yeah. Thank you, Bill.